Good afternoon. Welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of NexGa Aircraft. I'm William Bird, and today we're here to look at a beautiful 1981 Mooney M20K with a 262 Thunderbird conversion and a lot of excellent upgrades. Let's take a look. Total time on 1041 Golf is only 2,950 hours total time since new. 41 Golf is equipped with the 262 conversion. The engine's the TSIO 360 MB 210 horsepower engine. Has about 850 hours on it since major overhaul. And we're also equipped with the two-blade Macaulay prop. 1041 Golf has been upgraded with the turbo Thunderbird conversion. Now this includes the TSIO 360 MB turbocharged engine with tuned induction. It also includes a lot of other great upgrades, including improved cowling for increased airflow and cooling. Also a one-piece belly. Now this gives this aircraft excellent efficiency and performance. You can expect speeds around 165 to 170 in the lower altitudes with the power pulled back, or you can see speeds as high as 190 knots true airspeed up in the flight levels. 1041 Golf is equipped with speed brakes. Now speed brakes are an excellent resource for a pilot to have. They allow you to slow down or get down quickly without chopping power. Take a look at the exterior condition of 1041 Golf. The paint is in good condition. I'd rate it overall a 7, 7.5. It could use a few touch-ups here or there, but overall it has a great paint job. It's a beautiful gray with red and blue striping. Looking at the tail section, we can see it's in great condition. There's no corrosion and all the hardware is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the baggage area on 1041 Golf. You can see you have plenty of space. There's also a hat shelf for lighter items, and you can fit up to 120 pounds in the back as long as you keep the airplane within CG. Let's take a look at the interior on 1041 Golf. It's in pretty decent shape. It's in okay condition. The seats are in good condition, as well as the sidewalls and the headliner. Now these seats are very comfortable, I can tell you that. I'm almost 6 feet tall, I have plenty of headroom, I have plenty of leg room, and it's just a very comfortable ride back here. 1041 Golf has an excellent panel with a lot of great upgrades. Let's take a look. Beginning at the top, we have our engine gauges. Here's our outside air temperature gauge, our true airspeed indicator, our attitude indicator, altimeter, and engine monitor, which displays all 6 EGTs and CHTs. Here's our digital clock. We have our electric turn coordinator, our KCS 55A slaved HSI, vertical speed indicator, and our nav2 indicator. At the top we have our annunciator panel. Below is our PMA 7000B PS Engineering audio panel with 3 light marker beacon and intercom. Below is Garmin's newest GPS unit. It's the Garmin GTN 750 Navcom GPS multifunction display. It's a touchscreen unit, has a lot of great features. This one is also upgraded with the XM radio and weather, the GTL 69A. Below we have our KY197 number 2 comm. Here's our KN63 number 2 nav, and we have our KT76A transponder. 41 Golf is equipped with the KFC 200 Autopilot with flight director and glide slope coupling. 1041 Golf is turbocharged, and it's also equipped with 4-place oxygen. 41 Golf is equipped with electric adjustable cow flaps. Take a look at the condition of the windows on 41 Golf. They're very clear. I don't see any starring or hazing or anything like that. 41 Golf has been upgraded with Rosen sun visors. It's also equipped with a vertical card compass, and we do have 4-place shoulder harnesses. 41 Golf is also equipped with dual alternators. If you want an excellent buy on an outstanding Mooney M20K with the turbo Thunderbird conversion that's had a lot of excellent upgrades and great maintenance. This Mooney's equipped with the GTN 750 WAS-enabled Navcom GPS multifunction display with XM radio and weather. It has factory 4-place built-in oxygen. It has the KFC 200 Autopilot and a lot of excellent other upgrades. Then you need to come visit us here in Greensboro, North Carolina at NexGa Aircraft, or give us a call at 336-665-0300, or visit our website at www.nexga.com. That's NEXGA.com to view more information about this outstanding aircraft and all our other next generation aircraft. Have a great day.